vai.
Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel. We feature only the latest trend.
Tá jogando a mãe jogando, mano, não é seta não, eu tô do lado.
From close calls all the way up to road rage, big or little. It's up to you to sit back, relax and press play. One biker was fuming with a driver. We don't know what happened prior to this road rage, but other bikers pulled over to try and calm him down. Take a look.
JUAN dando risada aí, ó.
Calma, não.
Você vai dar risada agora.
Calma, ô, parça, só, mano. Não, parça, calma, calma, cara, calma, parça. Calma, tá com passageiro, calma. Derrubou vocês? Calma, parça, calma. Derrubou você, parça? Vai, não, vai lá, amigão. Tá suave. Tá suave. Vai de boa, pai. Não, calma, parça. Vai com Deus lá, parça. Tá suave, parça. Vai com Deus lá, mano. Acontece, parça. A rua, acontece.
Vou buscar você na sua casa. Você vai ver só.
Calma, parça. Já.
Seriously, dude? You're going to behave like that towards an older gentleman? Kicking someone's door is a sign of poor behavior, especially if it's someone who can be your father. Check out how this crazy situation unfolded.
Round 2, fight!
Dégage! Dégage de là! Tu le laisses tranquille, t'as vu son âge, t'as vu ton âge! T'as vu son âge! Mais comment il parle avec moi? Casse-toi! Je suis malade! T'es malade, tu te casses! Ça va, monsieur? N'inquiète pas.
Not see me turning, man. Say that again? Did you not see me turning? No, I didn't see you. You just pull out, yeah? Okay, go on.
Ma'am, do you need help? Do you need help?
Lady couldn't get her cart back on the sidewalk, and this is where the biker's kindness came to show. Check it out.
Yo, the dog is here! Yo, the dog is here!
Guys, I'm just here to help, okay? I'm just here to help. Okay.
Hey, not bad. Hold on.
Yep, you got it? Oh.
Hey, you
Hey,
stop.
Daisy. Come on.
He knows I'm stressed out.
Oh, yeah.
Get over there. I have been trying for over a freaking, well, I can say most of the day to try to get to the laundromat.
Okay. Well, at least you're back on track. So, you're welcome. Oh, you got a can rolling. Here, I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get it. There we go. Alright, good luck.
There was a stranded vehicle in the middle of the road. It poses a danger to the rest of the traffic because this is one really busy road. Biker eventually managed to find the owner, and this is what happened from there on.
Sorry, you wouldn't happen to know whose vehicle that is that's broken down outside? Because someone's broken down right on the main road. Excuse me, madam, is that your car, the red one? That's parked there. Do you want me to help push it in?
Oh, no, it doesn't work.
Yeah, that's fine. You can just take the handbrake off and then I can push it. It's only a small car.
It was being a bit of a pain
Ah.
on the road, you know, it's pretty nice and
His friend passed by and he pulled over to help as well. Another stranger on a bike noticed what was going on and he joined in. It's really nice to see kind people helping out.
There we go. Cheers for that, lads.
Bikers need to help other bikers whenever they see it's necessary. It's an unspoken biker's rule to help your buddy out. So, one biker crashed, and this is where a cool connection started to form.
Give her a good push if you can. Turn it left. Yep. If it'll start up, we can take her in there, or I can just push if you want. Yeah, your peg is oh, peg's gone. Without leaking any oil, you can see if it starts up. Just ride it over there. I ain't getting nothing out of it. Turn it off. Turn it back and roll it forward a bit. Now try to shift it as it's rolling.
She doesn't know she's left her cap out. I'll see if I can stop next to her and tell her. Don't think I've got enough time yet. Soon find out. Can you put your window down? Window down? Window down? Petrol cap.
When you don't secure your load properly, you can cause a lot of trouble for everyone in traffic. No one hit this wooden house, luckily, but it still posed a threat to the rest of the traffic.
What are you doing with your life?
Porco Dio, tedio cane! Ah!
Taxi driver had a completely open lane to make a safe pass, but no, he just had to pass the cyclist by inches and nearly make him crash. Pulled out in front of the biker and moved on as if nothing ever happened. Please be more watchful of others in traffic and don't act like this guy here.
Stop it. Get some help.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Hey buddy, you okay? You nearly knocked me off the bike. Whew. Scary.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
Speed limits don't apply to everyone, it would appear. This driver in a white truck sped past everyone like a madman. What if there were pedestrians trying to cross the road? Or a biker like this one who got nearly hit? This is absolute madness.
What was that, mate? You know how dangerous that was? That move you just made was pretty dangerous. Yeah, I reckon. I got you on camera, mate. It was one lane and you undertook me on one lane. Nah. Not at that stage it wasn't. Mate, that was driving. That was dodgy. That was dodgy, mate. Yeah, alright. What do you mean my own business? My life's at stake here. My life is at safety, of course it's my business.
Go. You have a... whatever. Absolute... hell. Did not expect to see that when I came around the corner. Doesn't close. Okay. Oh yeah. yes, let's have a fight in the middle of the street. Of course, you look at one of them and see a bottle of beer in one of their hands and you just know that it's over nothing. Flipping Nora.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park here.
Wow.
Does she want to start it? See if you push that down. There you go. You want to rev it? Ride it. Yeah. See you later, you guys.
Some people just need the slightest of reasons to get offended. This Karen right here didn't like how the biker lane split past her, so she decided to do this. Watch. Another day, another episode comes to an end, but we'll be seeing each other soon enough. Consider leaving a like and hit the subscribe button if you like this type of work. Your support means the world, and without it, none of this would even be possible. Make sure to write us down in the comments your thoughts about this episode as well. And until the next one, ride safe.